In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unzip files on your Windows computer. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to use Dafont for an example in today's video. So what Dafont is a website where you can download free fonts. So what I'm going to do is click on Dafont. It will bring me over to their website, and what you can do is you can obviously get the file you want. So for example here, if I just download this for today's example, as you can see, this file is a zip file. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to minimize all of this, and then I am going to drag the file onto my desktop. This is what I like to do personally, because once I do that, it will just obviously extract onto my desktop, and then I can save it wherever I want once it's done that. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to have a Unzip program, something like 7-Zip, which is totally free to use. So I've done a video on the channel how you can get 7-Zip, so if you haven't got it already, you can go ahead, watch that video and download it to your computer. But what you can do once you have a Unzip program is come to the file, right click on the file, and then you can click on extract here, which is what I like to do. So once you click on extract here, what it will do is just extract all the fonts or whatever your file is to your desktop. So that's how easy it is to unzip files on your Windows computer, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.